and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Electra espresso machine. You can also see it's next to this GS3 that we're rebuilding with custom British racing green paint. And let's go ahead and purge the heat exchanger so we get that super hot water out of there. Always should do that with a heat exchanger machine. And then we're going to make a shot. Give me a cup, please. Forgot to get a cup. Oh, thank you. And then let's go ahead and pull a shot. I really like the lever on this machine, how it's up high. It just has a really nice, smooth flow to it. It's almost, yeah, it just feels great. It's a beautiful shot of espresso. You get really nice crema. And let's test the steam. Very strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please look at the videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.